So I also picked up one of these decibel meter. So we're going to see what this is at an idle and wide open. So I've got an idea on how to try and quiet this down. We'll see if it does anything or not. We'll go compare it to my other machine out there too. I got a different exhaust on that, see which one's louder. So I just got done comparing this welder to the other welder, and somebody's got the automatic idler that controls the governor adjusted so it operates nothing but wide open. So I got to get that fixed. But in the meantime, we'll do a decibel meter check on this. As you can tell, non-standard exhaust. That's actually for a farm-all tractor. Feet away. So it dropped, what, about 15 decibels? So we'll kick that back on the high idle and we'll see what it reads out here. feet, there's not much difference. But up close, you can definitely hear the difference. We're at 10 feet right there. Alright everybody, out here hopefully for the final part of decibel testing mufflers. What I got there is a Thrush glass pack, part number 24210. It is 1.5 inches. So I went from 1 inch nipple out of the side of the head to a street 90 and a reducer from 1 inch to 1.25 inch pipe, and 1.25 inch pipe's about 1.5 inch OD. Welded a half nipple into the muffler for glass pack. Bought a stainless steel 90. I may shorten this distance up, but I'm gonna see what the decibels are on this. Here's the decibels right now for background noise reference. There we are at about 20 feet. Again at about 20 feet. So there you go, guys. That's a comparison between 3 different styles of mufflers on one of those machines. Trying to get the decibels to come down on it. You guys actually watched the video all the way through. I'll let you draw your own conclusions on that. Sometimes with exhaust, it's not necessarily about lowering the decibels as it is about changing the tone. Certain tones are much better to listen to at the same decibel level than others. So I'll let you guys make your decisions on that. But I got some more work to do to that. I started getting the upper frame done on it. I got to keep plugging away at that, and we'll get into this stuff in another video at a later date. So until the next time, you guys stay safe and enjoy yourselves. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.